Introducing the beautiful Catalina and the handsome Ethan. What kind of dance are you doing?
We're doing the beautiful dance.
The beautiful dance. What do you call it, Ethan?
The beautiful dance.
Nice. Do that one again, Catalina. I didn't see you turn.
I gotta put your hand around you. It's hard to do that, right?
Oh, you guys dance so good, especially without any music. Wow. I'm impressed. Wow. That was a big spin.
No.
Ooh, he's dipping her. Wow. What a good dancer you guys are.
Yeah.
The end. Yay!